Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Charot. So we need some gonting. So, unbox with me today. Wow! Amazing! Hey, what's up, Patutubi? Welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, we're going to unbox the things I bought on TikTok. Ha! Ang iba sa TikTok, may isa akong binili sa Facebook and yung isa sa friend. So, kailangan ko siya unbox today kasi itong dalawa is gadgets. So, kaya gagawin ko na lang to. Tapos ito, dumating lang kanina. Kaya, I have to unbox na talaga para lang ma-check rin kung okay sila. So, unbox with me today! So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi dalawang items pero same lang. So, it's 4 parcels for today. Unahin natin to isa. This is literally for vlogging. So, kailangan natin siyang unahin para matry natin and para mas maging clear yung ating voice for tonight. Kasi tonight, bakit tonight? Kasi time check, it's 11:13. That is David Lee Calco. Ha! Dala na rin ito proof. So, we need some gonting. Sa microphones, nahirapan ako magpili kasi may mga comments na bawal daw siya sa Android, bawal siya sa iOS. Eh, yung phones ko dalawa, magkaiba. May iOS, may Android. So, naghahanap ako ng compatible for 2 sa isang mic lang. Like, sa isang set. So, nakahanap ako ng isa na good for 2 na siya. May pang Type-C na siya and may pang iOS. This is from TNW. Nakita ko lang rin ito sa isang TikToker na nag-unbox nito. Here you go. Ayun. Ay, why ba di akong i-order? Ooh, the contents inside. Oh, muna itong sa wind. This is my voice. Oh, dalawa siya. Okay, dalawa man ni ang mic sa sulod. So, here it is. May manual siya sa loob. So, the black one, unahan natin eh. Feel ko charger siya. And, okay. May sabay pala siyang earphones. Tama. May sabay siyang earphones. It's Type-C earphones. Tapos ito, yan. Charger niya. Type-C. Marami na akong Type-C na charger. Reserve. So, let's open. Wow. This is also a parang charger. Yung sa earphones niya, para rin siyang power bank. So, nagre-reserve din siya ng energy. So, pag maggamit ka ng microphone, pagbalik mo, mag-charge siya. Oh, mayroon tayo pang Apple. Mayroon tayo pang Type-C. So, you have 2 receivers and 1 connector. Ooh, long press. Tapos nag-blue na siya. Na, wala magabasa og manual god. Oh, nag-blue. Dili siya, wait lang. Na, wala magabasa og manual god. Wait lang. Na, wala magabasa og manual god. Pag blue, naka-turn on na siya or naka-pair. Pero kapag green, naka-noise reduction daw. So, I don't know if there's a difference sa voice ko. So, let's try. So, ayan na siya. Okay na siya. Ah! Sana all my microphone. Hindi. So, ayan na. Na-check ko na siya. Effective pala. Like, kanina pa pala siya naka-on. Pero yun nga, pag fast blink, low bat siya. Tapos, eto, gagamitin daw to kapag windy, ganon, para matabunan siya, noise reduction, everything, chuchu. Grabe. Super fast na-connect. Na-connect na siya agad yung isa. Kasi, sabi nila, in less than 10 seconds, makakonect agad. Try ko lang mag-video dito. So, bunutin ko pala muna, no? Para malaman ko ang difference. Hello! Okay. So, ito siya ang voice kapag hindi na-connect. So, kapag na-connect, mag-blue, wala nag-blink. So, this is my voice. Char! Ha! Gaya-gaya. This is my voice kapag naka-microphone. So, is it effective? Let's hear. So, transfer ko na siya dito ulit. Oh, connect agad. Sana all. Wait lang. Pamatian na to. Kapag na-connect, mag-blue, wala nag-blink. So, this is my voice. Char! Ha! Gani, kusog gani ka. This is my voice kapag naka-microphone. So, is it effective? Let's hear. Kusog kayo, no? Pero, pwede man natin siya i-volume down. Wala ka nag-isi na manual. Wala ka nag-isi sa mood. Short press. Pak. 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 So, kato na. I-decrease na ako siya. I hope na you can still hear me. Let's proceed to this one. We're going to use this during the travel. So, ito yung kasi yung may nakalagay na no video, no return, no refund. Madam, I have microphone already. Yeah, this is the microphone. Look. Say hi to my vlog. So, there she is. Romos, handy power bank. Maliit lang. And it's 20,000 milliamperes. So, medyo matagal-tagal siyang malabat. Wait lang. Excited. Of course, may manual siya na sabay. Chingway, chingway, chingway. So, hindi ko maintindihan. And another Type-C cable. Oh, motoke. You can see me on screen. iOS. Oh, there. 76%. Sana all. So, this is from Romos. So, tatlo pala yung port niya na additional. Saan ni na port dad, oh? iOS gidi ay. Ito mo'y. iOS gyapon. Then, this one is for Type-C and this one is for USB type. For my Android. It's charging. Charan! So, it's working. Sulit. Thank you, TikTok. Mabudol sa daan sa TikTok, oy. This is from Cherubia PH. Ata, basta ayan yung page. Kasi, pag mag-buy ka, maka-help ka donate sa mga stray dogs and cats. You know naman, I do sheltering also, stray dogs and cats. So, that's why I am literally doing this one to help. Ah, ka-cute! Tatlong pieces na necklace. Oh, I got free stickers. So I'm going to post them also on my Facebook page. Ah, ka-cute! Look, this cute. I guess I got 2 the same designs and 1 amethyst. Then, kaya din ako nagpa-add because amethyst is my birthstone. Oh my gosh. Hala, nice kaayo. Oh, I have to wear this. Look, it's so pretty. Can you see that? Oh my god! This is the amethyst one. Oh, cute. Oh, it's so nice. Yay. Before I wear this one, I'm going to take a picture of it later. Get 3. Para at least makadagdag kayo ng Dentasticks. Kasi if you get 3, you can have an additional Dentasticks for the stray dogs and cats. Thank you so much, Cherubia PH. And for the stickers. So, the last unboxing is ito. Last na ni siya. This is a Lucky Cat, pero sticker ni siya. Pero ana sila, this is gold. So, because it's gold, it has a certificate. But, it's a sticker. So, I'm going to unbox one only. Ayan. But I don't know where to stick this one. So, nag-iisip ako kung hindi ko siya ipapilit. There. Ayun, wait lang. I got it. Oh. Gold. Nasa sticker sa likod. So, I don't know where to put this one. So, I'm going to keep it here lang gihapon. So, yun lang. Just flexing the things I bought and where my money went. Yun lang. I would like to say good night na. See you tomorrow. See you in the next vlog. This is Toby Girl. Ano to nga kung gani outro? Hi guys! Welcome back! Dili siya another vlog. Kay, I'll just... Huh? Hi guys! For today's video is para siyang part 2 pero I would like to connect it na lang sa vlog ng unboxing ko kasi ngayon lang dumating yung mga package. So that time, kailangan ko lang talaga kasing mag-unbox kasi dumating si Mike and yung power bank. And I'm wearing the necklace na from Cherubia PH. And ito na yung mga last na na-check out ko kaya no more money! Ito yung tatlong last ko na-check out. Tatlo gani. So, ayan. 1, 2, and 3. Kasi ito, this is from Shopee. I was expecting this baka mga next week pa. Customized. So, ipapakita ko yan later. Itong dalawa naman ay sa TikTok pa din. Unahin natin ito. I'm excited about this one kasi magagamit ko to sa office. Oh, so plenty! Ah! No! Okay. Ala, ka-cute. So, I bought this one. Sanrio yan siya naman na mga ballpen. Oh. Ala, ka-cute. Wow. Black. Siguro ito lahat. Ano yan? Ala, uy, ka nice. Ala, nag-igit. I don't know if it's gonna be useful, pero sayang. Oh. Nag-lek na siya. And sa black, so far wala. Amazing sa black. In the blue one. First time ko rin makita sa red. 10 pieces each ito. Tama ba? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Complete. Thank you. So yeah, happy. Next is This one, R Top R, Philippines. Ito ay magagamit ko sa kapatid ko and kay Budoy. Nakita ko to sa TikTok. Yung parang cutic siya, na ganon. Tapos may ano na, ng papel sa wax paper. Ano tawag? Basta, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes daw. Then, voila! Tanggalin mo, slowly. Pwede rin siya ilagay dito. And kung saan pang gusto mo na matanggalan. Whiteheads, pwede din. Ako, marami dito. Kaya na rin ako umorder. So, expiration date is 2026 pa. So, this is from R Top R. Oh. That's it. Para siyang cutics. Wow. Tapos, ito yung blackhead paper pala siya. Hindi siya wax paper. Parang nag-wax. Sa ilok man to kag sa siya. So, ano lang ka. Peel lang ka. Og papel. Thank you! So, this is the last one. Ito yung customized from Shopee. Ola Craft Shop. Ola Craft Shop. So, this is mga passport holder namin na in-order ko. Oh, my sticker! For your personalized leather needs. Oh, and this is mine! Toby! So, I like the navy blue. Open natin ang loob. The same lang ito kay Troy and kay Budoy. So, ayan. Pwede adjustable ha, kasi dalawa siya. So, pwede here. Pwede din here. Okay? Tapos sa loob, wow! Dito mo i-insert yung passport. Tapos meron tayong lalagyan ng IDs. Dalawang pocket IDs. Then may isa ring pocket here. Yun, nice! I like it. I love it. At least for how many years na naka-passport ID, kahit wala pang tatak, may lalagyan na siya. Tapos, kinunan ko na rin si Troy. Favorite color niya kasi is purple or violet. Tapos, kinunan ko din si Budoy. Ayan, nakalagay, Seed. Yan ang pangalan ni Budoy, Seed. Nickname niya pa lang. Hindi yan totoong pangalan niya. Tapos, black ang sa kanya kasi favorite color niya. Favorite color niya rin naman blue, pero usually likes black or white. So, that's all. Try ko siyang i-post sa TikTok and i-add sa Yellow Basket para malaman nyo kung saan ko siya in-order. Try ko lang. Yan ang TikTok ko. Personal TikTok ko yan. Pero ito yung TikTok ko for vlog previews. Baka naman may time kayo. So, thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Pero naka-outro na ako sa vlog ko na una. So, ilalagay ko na lang yon dito sa last. So, that's it for today. See you in the next vlog. This is Toby Girl. Prayers and peace. Bye! Wow! Amazing!